Hello everyone, Larry Lavrentic for Ichimoku.co and ForexTrading.tv with a daily analysis for gold futures for the trading day ending Tuesday, February 11th, 2014. Well, a nice continuation of the trend to the upside today, and a very large white body candle, a candle with a higher high and a higher low, and a candle where the buyers made a very significant amount of net bullish progress on the day between the open and the close, and have closed with control. They've been strongly committed to making this, taking this market higher. For the previous day's trading, we saw a bullish breakout up above the Ichimoku cloud, giving us a bullish market in the long-term time frame, and certainly highlighting a change of sentiment in this market. And if you recall, when we've been looking at other markets in the recent past, we're seeing breakouts from above or below the cloud in a bullish or bearish manner, but we're not seeing follow-through. Today we're seeing follow-through, and this suggests that this market may have enough momentum to certainly appreciate in price greater than we've seen in other markets. The only problem here, however, is the round number 1300 resistance, and perhaps we've started to see the influence of that come into play with this small shadow on the top of the candle, and this current candle as it's developing here at the right hand side is slightly bearish. Now that candle hasn't finished trading, won't be finished trading for quite some time, so we can't really judge that the market on that candle. But we have been in a first time frame uptrend for quite some time, and it wouldn't surprise to see the market relax, even though we have seen confirmation of this breakout with the this very positive candle for the buyers. Now, in terms of the Fibonacci extension, we're examining the relationship of this first time frame uptrend that the market's been in for some time, since late January, and the market has pretty much interacted with 261.8% and been rejected from around that area, suggesting that there is a possibility of a change of trend. So be on the lookout for the sellers to come into this market, and that's what we're seeing at the moment. But really quite a bit of conflict there with this current candle being so positive and the buyers being in control. So let's just watch down around the low of this current candle. Also, the Fibonacci retracement gives us a slightly better picture of that, and we've travelled through the 100% level in a bullish manner and trading exactly to the 161.8% level, with the market unable to close up above there. We tested above there and we rejected from there. It suggests perhaps a greater possibility of the market coming off, but as I've mentioned, no clue there in that current candle that has finished trading, because it is such a positive candle. The only issue here is, has the market done too much work, and do the buyers need to take a bit of a breather? Will we see the market relax and then the uptrend continue on its way? That's very much a possibility. One possible scenario here is that the market comes off from here and finds support at the top of the cloud where we were previously finding resistance, and find support if the market does come off, or we test up to 1300 and come off, or there still is a possibility that the trend could continue. So we will be watching the high of the current candle very closely for continuation of the trend, and then the round number 1300. Now obviously a bullish market in all three time frames, trading above the cloud now, and we've had that nice bullish follow through to give us some nice confirmation of that breakout, and bullish in the medium and fast term time frame, both trading above the Kijun Sen and the Tenkan Sen, the pink line and the green line, and the Chico span is above the corresponding price action, so it's confirming the bullishness that we're seeing in all three time frames, and suggesting that this is a valid trend, and a valid trend in all three time frames to the upside. The Chico span gave us an indication some time ago when it broke out above the price action, where it was previously bound below and then trading within the price action, and it's suggesting that there is some good solid positive upside momentum in this market. So moving forward, we will be watching the high of the current candle for a test to, and perhaps even beyond, the 1300 round number, but it may hold as very strong resistance for this market. And if the market does come off, we're looking for strong support at the top of the cloud around 1272.